So the purpose today is to get families connected to learning. What they do at home is beneficial to what we do at school, and what we do at school is beneficial to home. And so we're really making that bridge, and today parents are coming to learn that.
Our parent meeting, the importance of it is to get parents to come to school and to actually see what their children are doing in the classroom. We talk to them about the bilingual brain, we talk to them about reading at home, doing math at home, and we give them an opportunity to see different classrooms. We all go in groups, we walk into the classrooms, we see teachers teach, students learning, and then parents get to see the actual academic environment, which is really helpful for them. They get to see what are our students learning.